people like you and me. All right.
All right. So what's going on with Wells Fargo?
Wells Fargo, they're taking 2 to 3 months, 3 to 4 months right now to do these loan mods. They're starting to do a whole lot more home affordables. Loan mods. They're starting to understand that people are understanding and are liking that format, and it's real cut and dry. 31%, 480 is the max term, 2% is the max rate. It's real easy to figure out. They don't have to go check to a lot of people. So as far as figuring it out, it's nice. But the problem is their new division is called prime interest. So if you've got an interest-only loan with Wells Fargo, you're going to go into their prime interest division.
Okay.
The problem is it gets batted around 5 or 6 different divisions before they realize it's an interest-only loan. When I just tell them that on a big bright letter, fluorescent green, hey, this should go to your prime interest division, but apparently what happens is these banks is they typically don't read what you send. They just see something's there, and they don't really read it. It's just kind of counterproductive, and I think it wastes 2 months' worth of valuable time. I know, buddy. I mean,
I'm just completely speechless at how. I don't know if it's irrational or ignorance or laziness or
what they're having to do right now is they're having to look at what they've done to people or what they've done business wise or who came up with these webs like I keep talking about. Like if you type in mortgage implosion, what happened? There's some pretty funny cartoons that kind of lay it out for you. Well, we started with the mortgage broker doing stated loans, and then we went to you saw that one, and it has. And it really puts it in layman's terms, which is really a good idea for me, so that I can understand it.
Well, me too.
And you can really understand what the heck is going on out there. I mean, that's the most important thing. So they're a little bit.
They bump around for a little while.
They bump around for a little while. So Wells Fargo, hold on, and wait. Hurry up and wait. Okay. Now it's not all bad. Okay. Well, IndyMac kind of is. No, I want to talk about this. The other day, I called U.S. Bank. I had a loan in for 6 months, a loan in for 4 months with their modification departments. And then I had 2 brand new customers. Okay, I made 1 phone call, and I did that snoring technique. Okay, and I don't want everybody using that now because I want it to work for me. I got a gal on the phone named Chrissy Duggar. Duggarino. And she worked for U.S. Bank. She was the best customer service representative I have ever talked to in 10 years of doing loans and or / loan modifications the last almost 2.
Okay, so what happened?
In 1 phone call, she sent out 4. She told me that Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac was the investor. She sent me out 4 in 1 phone call, mind you. 1 week later, I got 4 home affordable modification packages. Average savings $1,000 a month for these people.
What?
Wham! 1 phone call, 4. Now she's on my Facebook. We're talking every day. So if you've got U.S. Bank and you need something handled, I think I'm the guy to call. But don't call my Facebook page because then you'll just contact her directly. No, I'm just kidding. But it was amazing. I mean, I've never ever had 4 loans get done in 1 phone call.
That's amazing.
I mean, I was sitting there going, I almost couldn't believe it. I even Facebooked her that night and go, are you serious or did I just call the wrong number by accident? Because it was awesome. So U.S. Bank's really good on those home affordable modifications.
Okay.
And let's see, ASC, which is America's Servicing Company, they're not bad. They're very confusing. They typically will do a 3-month trial period with people. We've gotten some loans from 2.9 to 5%. American Home Mortgage Servicing, it's called AHMSI, is a nightmare sometimes because you're usually talking to out-of-country people. Mm-hmm. But they've just implemented home affordable modifications. That's kind of speeding things up. Okay. Beautiful thing about this bank is you can actually get a negotiator on the line. Okay.
Fantastic. Well, that's a lot of great news, Jason. Thanks for bringing that to us. This is the Desert's News Talk Superstation.